What's up guys, this is MJ100K. Today I just want to do a quick video about how to change the bit in this Dewalt cordless drywall cutout tool, okay? Yesterday I was doing some drywall in my garage and I needed to change the tip, and I looked on YouTube and I saw a couple videos about how you're supposed to do it, and it just wasn't working for me. What you're supposed to do is push that in and then push this in at the same time and spin it, in the counterclockwise direction. It just wasn't working for me. It kept slipping and it just didn't work. It might be easier if I took this off, but I didn't feel like doing that. So, and I don't think it still probably wouldn't have worked anyway. Anyway, I looked in here, and when you push this in, all it's doing is pushing this little C thing up to hold this while you're holding this, so you and then you turn it. But anyway, I found a much easier way, so check it out. Take the battery out just to be safe. You still want to push this in, right? But instead of just using your hands to loosen this, which is really tight, just use a adjustable wrench. I just like to put it on something flat. And there you go. You still got to hold this, and then you get this to move it from the top. And then you don't have to mess with this stupid plastic thing. So anyway, you just loosen it. You can take your bit out, and then you can put a new bit in. I like to put it on something flat so it doesn't sink in there all the way. I like to have it around here. And then still keep your finger on here to hold it. Just get it ran down a little bit and tighten it from there. You could also use one of these, but I think this one works a little better. So anyway, yeah, that's how you change the bit. If you want to change the collet, just keep spinning that out all the way, and then you could take the collet, get a new one. If you want, you can get a smaller collet so you can use those little tiny Dremel bits and use this as similar to a Dremel. So anyway, that's how I did it, and as you can see, works just fine. I feel like my way is a lot better, a lot faster than messing around with this stupid plastic thing. So there you go. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked the video, then what's wrong with you? This was an excellent video. You should like, I should get all likes in this video. And if you really liked it, send me $1,000 on Patreon. It's the least you could do. No, I'm just kidding. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good one.